Dare to unf your bamboozled core. Are you ready to see the world with new eyes? Let's peel back the layers of misinformation and discover our true potential together, shall we? Oh, the world we think we know. Are you aware that the systems controlling our lives are designed to keep us uninformed and afraid? What if we could change that? Did you know that we live in a meticulously crafted, distorted reality for the benefit of a select few? How deep does the rabbit hole really go? Imagine living in a world where your every belief was shaped by those who benefit from your fear, misfortune, and ongoing suffering. Decide for yourself, are we living in a reality or just a carefully constructed illusion? It's about time we unchain our potential from the economic wheel. Why do 90% of us work jobs we dislike, to buy things we don't need, to impress people we don't even care about? Is this the true purpose of our existence? Hell no! Uncover your magics and break the silence of this mental health epidemic. 1 in 4 are touched by mental illness globally, so why the stigma? Why the silence? Pierce the illusion, challenge media manipulation, and shatter the chains of manufactured consent. How has the media shaped your views on war, poverty, and justice? Are we consuming news or propaganda? Question your cravings. Reject toxic consumption and the lure of instant gratification. From fast food to pharmaceuticals, are we being treated and nourished or just exploited for profit? Done being a cash cow for others? Great, then let's shift focus, unplug, reconnect, and truly tune back into your life. Break free from digital distractions and rediscover meaningful connections. I dare you to listen to your inner voice. What if the key to changing the world was not out there, but within you all along? Are you ready to stop being a pawn in their game and start being the hero of your own story? Let's change the game forever. Comfort zone or epic saga? Escape the mundane. Choose your adventure, hero or zero. Decide now. Step into your transformation today. You're invited to join our Discord community to turn setbacks into opportunities for growth. Dare to invest broadly, not just in yourself. Evolve through adversity with real estate, stocks, crypto, and more. Get your free access now. Together, we'll redesign our authentic selves for an abundant dream life. Don't just survive, thrive with us. Or amp up with our Life Artist Revolution Manifesto on Amazon, your tactical guide to life's cheat codes. Use it solo or as a Discord sidekick. This manifesto is your ultimate transformation toolkit. Dive in, strategize, and master the art of unfucking your life. Wanna fly wisely? Flutter straight into private coaching, owl style, wisdom and wings away. Embrace the journey to light the way toward peace, abundance, and freedom. Sending love and light your way. Let's ignite our magics with purposeful intent. Together, we can illuminate a brighter path for all.